Punctuation Guide: Mastering the Marks of English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of English writing: punctuation. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to refine your skills, understanding punctuation is key to clear and effective communication. So, let's embark on this journey to master the marks of English together. Punctuation is not just a set of arbitrary rules. It's the backbone of clarity in writing. Imagine punctuation as the traffic signals of language. They guide the reader through your sentences, ensuring your meaning is clear and your style is polished. Without proper punctuation, our writing can become confusing, misleading, or even completely misunderstood. The full stop, or period, is perhaps the most fundamental punctuation mark. It signals the end of a sentence. This mark is crucial for breaking down our thoughts into manageable, understandable units. We'll explore examples of how to use it in different sentence structures. Commas are like breaths in a sentence. They create necessary pauses. They help us separate ideas, list items, and clarify meaning. However, they're often misused or overused. We'll delve into the rules of comma usage and see how this small mark can make a big difference. Apostrophes have two main uses: showing possession and forming contractions. They might seem simple, but incorrect use can change the meaning of your sentences. We'll break down how to use apostrophes correctly, with a focus on common errors to avoid. Understanding how to use question marks and exclamation points is crucial for conveying tone. These marks can turn a statement into a question or express excitement, surprise, or strong emotion. We'll learn about their proper placement and how they can alter the tone of your writing. Colons and semicolons are often seen as more advanced punctuation marks. They can be powerful tools for connecting ideas and adding sophistication to your writing. We'll explore their distinct roles and provide tips on using them effectively. Quotation marks are essential for indicating speech or quoted text. We'll also touch upon other punctuation marks like dashes, parentheses, and ellipses, explaining their roles and showing examples of their use. I hope this guide helps illuminate the world of punctuation for you. Remember, mastering punctuation is a journey, and practice makes perfect. Keep writing, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to revisit these rules as you grow as an English writer. Thank you for watching, and happy punctuating!